Hey, it's good to see you. I hope you're doing okay. Some slow English for you to listen in a comfortable way. There is no pressure. There is no rush. You can listen. You can say a few words. You can simply watch. It's all enough. So, you are at work, sitting with your colleagues, the people that you work with. And one of your colleagues offers you a tangerine. A tangerine is a bit like an orange, but smaller, maybe sweeter than an orange. I'm not exactly sure. But your colleague has offered tangerines to everyone in the room. You think, great, I love tangerines. I would love one. How generous, how kind of your colleague. So you say, yes, please, I would love one. Thanks. So you are now eating this tangerine. A sweet, juicy, delicious tangerine. It tastes so nice. But then you bite onto a seed. The seeds are sometimes inside the fruit. You think, oh, damn it, a seed. I hate it when that happens. I even looked to check before I ate some. You have now got this seed mushed in with your tangerine in your mouth. You think, do I just swallow this? Do I just eat this tangerine seed mush? Or do I want to spit it out and not eat this? Because it's all broken in my mouth. You think, yeah, I need to get this seed out. But I don't really want to get up, stand up, and leave the room. I can't be bothered. I don't feel like standing up. So, with your mouth full, everything is still in your mouth. You say to your colleagues, sorry, does anyone have a tissue? Well, an unused one. A tissue that has not been used. Does anyone, by any chance, have an unused tissue? I thought these tangerines were seedless. I thought they didn't have any seeds in them. Your colleague, the generous colleague, says, oh, are there seeds in those? I didn't realise. Yeah, here's a tissue. And now you can get your tangerine seed mush out of your mouth with the tissue, and you continue enjoying your tangerine. I wonder if you have eaten a tangerine recently, or a different fruit. Maybe it had an unexpected seed in it, a seed that you were not expecting. Whether you listened or you spoke or you watched this video, you are being with English. Maybe you listen to this again tomorrow while you are eating your fruit. Maybe you notice a word that you did not notice the first time. Have a lovely day and see you next time. Bye.